Do you think it's possible to make $2.5 million a month with something as simple as a bookkeeping business? I know that sounds crazy, but that's exactly what happened last week. A client of mine came up to me and he told me how he turned a sales presentation that I helped him create into $2.5 million a month in revenue for his bookkeeping business. Now, if you've spent any amount of money on marketing or sales for your business, I'm going to share with you right now the key to scaling. Because there's one reason why most people cannot scale their business. And it's not necessarily the amount of money they spend on ads or, their sales tactics or techniques, because those can all be good and you can still not scale your business. And it's because most business owners do not have a scalable offer or a scalable message. So no matter how much fuel you pour on the fire, it will only burn so hot. And so let me break down what I mean by that. If you look at an example like Tony Robbins is a life coach, right? Essentially. But most life coaches, they sit there and they do one-on-one calls. Tony figured out how to take that model and turn it into a scalable business by doing events where he would do a workshop on stage, and as many people as you can fit into an auditorium would come to these events. And when he did these events, he would then sell them into the next event. And then at that event, he would sell them into the next event. Now, I've seen Tony probably 4 or 5 times, and I can tell you that going back 7 years, the first time I saw him, to when I most recently saw him, everything that he says is essentially the same. When I hear him in podcasts, it's the same. When I hear him in books, when I read his books, it's the same. When I hear him in an interview, he pretty much says the same thing. And see, that's the key. He has a scalable offer and a scalable message. And so I'm going to share with you a principle and an actual tactic you can use right now to create scalable offers and messages for your business. So one thing that I always do to grow any company, and I've done this multiple times, I've had $1 million days in sales and revenue doing this. I create what I call a paid presentation. A paid presentation is sort of like a sales video or a webinar, but it's longer and you pay to be there. Now, when I've done this, we've made a lot of money and my clients have made a lot of money doing this, but there's a fear. There's a fear that when you take time to create a long sales presentation, or when you take time to put on an event, whether it's online or whether it's in person, nobody might show up. Nobody might be interested, right? And so what we do is we write a book. We write a book on the same topic that we want to create our sales presentation on. And I'll share with you how to write a book in a day in just 1 minute. But when we write the book, we base the book on principles, not on tactics, not on how-tos, but on principles. Now, a principle could be considered something like, I could say something like, you'll never be broke if you know what to say. This is one of my favorite principles. You'll never be broke if you know what to say. Now, I can tell you 12, 15, 20 different stories, analogies, or examples that prove that to be true. I can tell you the story of when I got a job at a pitchman company, and this company was selling hundreds of millions of dollars in cookware because they came up with a single presentation that they would go around to Sam's Club and Costco's and give, and they would sell thousands of dollars a day in cookware. I could tell you the story about how Tony Robbins came up with a presentation 30 years ago, and he was smart enough to never change it because it worked. I can tell you the story of how the ShamWow company became extremely popular and made a lot of money because they had one good presentation they ran on TV. I could sit there and talk about how Steve Jobs made Apple the most successful tech company because every year he did a presentation. He did a presentation, right? And so I can tell you so many different stories to illustrate one simple fact, one simple principle. If you'll never be broke if you know what to say. And so when you come up with these principles, these lists of principles that people need to believe in to follow you, to buy your stuff, to become a part of your movement or of your tribe, you can come up with 7 to 10 principles, and then all you have to do is come up with stories and analogies over and over again that illustrate those principles to be true. That's it. That is it. And you literally have years worth of marketing. I'll give you an example. The 𝐷𝑒 brand, the 𝐷𝑒 commercials. The most interesting man in the world, right? What was their concept? Interesting people don't drink regular beer, they drink 𝐷𝑒s. So what did the 𝐷𝑒 commercials do? Well, they introduced an interesting man doing interesting things. I was watching one today. It was like, he could punch you in the face and you would have to resist the urge to say thank you, right? His only regret is not having any regrets. Like this, and he would be fighting monkeys in the Alps and the mountains and all this crazy, interesting stuff. So it starts out showing you an interesting man. And then it says, he is the most interesting man in the world. And then it cuts to him, and every commercial, he says, I don't always drink beer, but when I do, I prefer 𝐷𝑒s. So in that frame, it's simple. Interesting people drink interesting beer. 𝐷𝑒s is interesting beer. Here's an interesting man doing interesting things. This is the beer he drinks. One simple concept. Now they ran that commercial for 12 years. 12 years. And when all other imported beer dropped 4% in sales, 𝐷𝑒s increased 22% in sales because they had a scalable message. It was a message they could put on repeat. They simply said the same thing over and over again in different ways. So this is how you create a scalable message. You find something you can say that can be said 100 different ways, but essentially means the same thing. And you just keep saying it. Jim Rohn said, if you want to be successful, find something good to say and say it often. That's the key to a scalable message. The key to a scalable offer is modifying your delivery where you can take on as many clients as you want, no matter how much you sell. If you can combine these two things, you clear the path to becoming a millionaire in your business so freaking easy. So if you want help in both creating a scalable offer and a scalable message, I'll be able to handle all of that for you on my next Epic Pitch Challenge. I'll leave a link in the description where you can grab yourself a seat and you'll be able to accomplish that during the event. It's completely online. You can attend from home. I'll leave a link in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.